understanding and realising just how important it is that we do source our building materials responsibly and make sure that we're not polluting the atmosphere. And I have children, so it becomes even more important to make sure that we're not polluting the environment for my children and even my children's children again then in the future.
Its sustainability characteristics, the way it's made from forest thinnings and the fact that it's compressed and uses natural waxes, so there's no off-gassing, no VOCs, no horrendous eco-impacts at source. It's great. It's a permanent fixture in our palette of materials now.
For every 1 tonne of plankable hardwood, there's about 6 tonne of waste. 3 tonne of that we can't use, but the rest we can, and it's your really good A-grade hardwoods. And we turn that waste into a resource.
In choosing the product for the cladding, yeah, it was very important that we weren't polluting the environment, choosing something with high VOCs or that was going to give off chemical odours. I mean, we've been very careful with all of our decisions throughout the house.
Yes, we can tick the box on thermal performance, we can tick the box on price, we can tick the box on embodied energy and eco-impacts. We're left dealing with the desirable aesthetic. Which one will we choose, you know?
So we chose the Federation board because it's a very tidy, natural looking product, and it really just styled the house quite well.
There's a perception out there to go green costs you a lot more, but that's not the case. And in fact, Weathertex being the most sustainable product in Australia at the moment for the building industry, it doesn't cost any more per square metre than other products in the marketplace, yet it's the one that's easy to get on the wall, more environmentally friendly from the beginning, from the manufacturing process till when it's on the wall.
Being quite frugal and not wanting to make the wrong decision, Weathertex seemed an obvious choice because everything about the product itself stacked up. Its lack of carbon footprint, the durability of it, the cost of it. When you compare the cost of Weathertex to other products on the market, there really was minimal difference.
In 2013, it picked up the Residential Category Award in the Building Designers Australia Design Awards, which was nice. And that is a very holistic set of criteria that you have to satisfy. So it's not just about the aesthetic, obviously, it's also about the performance and the more technical aspects.
It's absolute waste to let tree just rot and not be used. The more we can utilise it as a resource, the better it'll be, because it stops the carbon if you burn the tree going into the atmosphere, and it locks it away, and it's a very durable product.
As we move from 7 billion people to 9 billion people by 2050, if we can't reduce the eco-impact of each and every one of those people, then we've got to find more planets, and they're pretty hard to find. So we really have no choice. It's a social imperative, it's an economic imperative, and it's certainly an ecological imperative. We have the means to achieve that. What we don't necessarily have is the social or political will to get there, but we certainly have the means.